Hello everyone, I'm Emilie Guillermin from the Pro team. Today I'm gonna delve you in the art of contouring. Contouring isn't about drastically changing your face, but rather about enhancing your natural features using the principles of light and shadow. The two main contour products are powder and cream. My choice go to Digital Complexion Cream Palette. It have a great combination of shadows and highlights for every skin tone. Shade is crucial. Aim for a contour shade deeper than your skin tone. I choose for these two brushes. They are perfect for blending, but also for stippling for perfect results. Let's get into application techniques. Contouring allows us to enhance specific facial features. For the cheekbones, find the hollows in the cheeks and apply contour there, blending upwards from the temples to the center. Cream provides a dewy or satin finish, giving a more hydrated appearance. They are often preferred by those with dry or mature skin. For the jawline, contour along the bone blending downwards. And remember, cool tones mimic natural shadow best, that you can warm up with a warm shade later. Avoid to use only warm orange bronzers for contour. For the nose, gently contour the sides, blending carefully. To slim the forehead, apply along the hairline. My favorite technique is to use powder over the cream, but you can also use only powder or only cream. Here I'm gonna use a blusher palette with a variation of shades to create shadow suitable for many different skin tones. Powder sets well, helping to control oil and prolong the wear of your makeup. It layers well over foundation and powder. People with oily skin often prefer the powder contour. Remember the golden rule: blend, blend, until there are no harsh lines. Start with a small amount of product and build it up gradually. It is much easier to add more than to remove the excess. By using multiple shades, you are able to create a more gradient and natural looking shadow. As a powder for contouring, you could also use dual finish. Modeling is perfect for a warm finish. In silhouette, the colors are specially selected for contouring. It's crucial to understand that contouring works in tandem with highlighting. While contouring creates shadow, highlighting brings light to the high points of the face, like the cheekbones, brow bones, and bridge of the nose. This interplay between light and shadow is what creates a sculpted and balanced look. Shimmer reflects light, making these areas appear brighter and more prominent, what creates a lifted, more youthful appearance. Alternatively to the high glow, you can use Glamour Glow, a velvety glowy powder, or Shimmering Even foundation, a light freed foundation with a iridescent finish. Contouring is especially important in photography and videography. Our facial features can sometimes appear washed out. Contouring ensures that the face remains defined and sculpted on camera. And that's the core of contouring, understanding light and shadow to enhance your natural features. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. And see you next time!